Module 2, Lesson 8's objective is to solve one-step word problems involving metric weights within 100 and estimate to reason about solutions. Item 4 says, Andrea's dad is 57 kilograms heavier than Andrea. Andrea weighs 34 kilograms. I'll go ahead and underline the important details. Andrea's dad is 57 kilograms heavier than Andrea, and Andrea weighs 34 kilograms. Now I'll highlight the question. How much does Andrea's dad weigh? Well, we know that Andrea weighs 34 kilograms, so I'll write that here. And we know that her father is 57 kilograms heavier than Andrea. So if he's heavier, that means he weighs more. So I'll add that 57 kilograms to Andrea's weight. Now 34 is the same as 30 plus 4. And 57 is the same as 50 plus 7. Now I'll circle my tens, 30 and 50. 30 and 50 is 80. And then I have left plus 4 plus 7. Now I'll go ahead and try to make some more tens. 80 plus 4, well, I know that 4 plus 6 is 10, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'll just go ahead and pull 6 out of that 7. Now I can circle my tens. 80 and 4 plus 6 is a 10, so 80 plus 10 is 90. Plus this one right over here. It's a lone 1. So now we have 90 plus 1 is 91. So how much does Andrea's dad weigh? Answer it in words. Andrea's dad weighs 91 kilograms. Item B says, how much do Andrea and her dad weigh in total? Well, if we use the information from above, we know that Andrea's dad weighs 91 kilograms and that Andrea weighs 34 kilograms. So I'll write down 34 for Andrea and 91 for her father. Now you're going to decompose the numbers just like I did before. 34 is the same as blank plus blank. Look at item A for help on that. And 91 is the same as blank plus blank. Then circle the tens and add together the ones until you get a total. Don't forget to answer this question in a sentence. How much do Andrea and her dad weigh in total? Andrea and her dad weigh blank kilograms in total. Remember, we're using kilograms because kilograms were used in 4A. Item 5 says Jennifer's grandmother buys carrots at the farm stand. She and her 3 grandchildren equally share the carrots. The total weight of the carrots she buys is shown below. Item A. How many kilograms of carrots will Jennifer get? Well, I better underline the important information. Jennifer's grandmother buys carrots at the farm stand? Nope, that's not super important. She and her 3 grandchildren equally share the carrots. That's important. And then this is the total weight here, and that's important. I better highlight the question, how many kilograms of carrots will Jennifer get? So I'm going to circle the word Jennifer so I know we're talking about just one person here. Well, if Jennifer's grandmother went shopping with 3 grandchildren, that means that we better draw the right number of people. Okay, here's Jennifer's grandmother. Here's 1 grandchild. Here's another grandchild. And here's the 3rd grandchild. We can't just draw 3 rectangles because that would only be the 3 grandchildren. We have to remember to include Jennifer's grandmother. Now, if Jennifer's grandmother bought a total of 28 kilograms of carrots and she wanted to share them equally between everyone, she would give 1 kilogram for each person until they were all used up. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 for you. Keep going until you get to 28. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Those are all 28 of my kilograms that have been divided up equally between the grandmother and her 3 grandchildren. Another way you could write this would be 28 kilograms divided by 4 people. Now you count up how much just Jennifer gets. Remember, Jennifer is just one person. So figure out how much one person gets, and that will be the answer for 28 divided by 4. Then remember to answer in words. How many kilograms of carrots will Jennifer get? Jennifer will get blank kilograms of carrots. And item 5B says, Jennifer uses 2 kilograms of carrots to bake muffins. How many kilograms of carrots does she have left? Remember, when you're doing this problem, you start with the number of kilograms that Jennifer has, not the amount in total that the grandmother bought. So, put the amount of kilograms of carrots that Jennifer was given right here. And if she used 2 kilograms of carrots, we're going to go ahead and subtract that from the number that she started with. The number that she started with was the answer from item 5A. So that's the number you put there. And then subtract the 2 to get your final answer. How many kilograms of carrots does she have left? Jennifer has blank kilograms of carrots left. Remember, when we're subtracting, we're counting backwards. When we subtract, we end up with a smaller number. We get less.